Quick stop off for lunch. We're learning how to make a Mandozi. Okay, so putting sugar in right now. I'd say about 40 grams of sugar, some baking powder, salt. About 45 minutes to get that one egg into the shop. A guy just got off his scooter, came in, boom, egg on there, time to cook. He's got 500 milliliters of milk here. 500 ml water we have going in. Perfect. Oh, put a little bit of oil in the mix. So we're looking at 200 ml of pure oil. Basically, they took the oil from the batch where we deep fry in, where it's infused with all the flavors. We're dumping it back in. 2 kgs of your normal baker flour at home. So what we're gonna try and do is make it into a little bit of a pasty mix. We're gonna close it down for 5 minutes, let it proof up a bit. So he's really making sure it's airtight. If it is airtight, that means it won't go dry. Yeah. Okay. So we're rolling up into little balls there. Now we're gonna flatten them out like chapatis, pancakes or pizzas. So right now, we are cooking the manasi in the oil, 30-40 seconds till it's golden brown. You can see it puffs up there. And a cool thing to do is cut a little bit open, fill it up with some of your favorite fruits. Perfect for an after-time meal.